Hello everyone, welcome to our channel where we break down complex agile concepts into easy to understand ideas. Today, we are diving into the crucial tool in agile project management, that is RAID. This framework helps teams effectively identify and manage potential roadblocks throughout their projects. Whether you are a seasoned agile practitioner or just starting, understanding RAID will empower you to enhance communication, mitigate risks, and drive your projects to success. RAID stands for Risks, Assumptions, Issues, and Dependencies. It is a framework that helps agile teams manage and track these four key aspects of any project, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Let's break down each component, starting with risks. Risks are potential problems that could impact the project's success. Identifying risks early allows teams to plan mitigation strategies, reducing the likelihood of negative outcomes. In Agile, risk management is a continuous process, which is revisited during each iteration. For example, if a key team member is at a risk of leaving the project, we would document this risk and create a plan to mitigate it, maybe by cross training another team member. Next, we have assumptions. These are the things you believe to be true without proof. Assumptions can be dangerous if they turn out to be false, so it's important to document them and regularly validate them throughout the project. For instance, you might assume that a certain technology will be available when you need it. If that technology gets delayed, it could disrupt your entire project timeline. Now, let's talk about issues. These are problems that are happening right now. Unlike risks, which are potential problems, issues are real and need immediate attention. The faster you resolve issues, the less impact they will have on our project. An issue could be anything from a bug in a software to a stakeholder who suddenly changes requirements. The key is to address issues as soon as they arise to keep your project on track. Finally, we have dependencies. These are tasks, activities, or deliverables that rely on something else being completed first. Managing dependencies is crucial in Agile because one delay can have a domino effect on the entire project. For example, if your team is waiting for an API from another team, that's dependency. If the API is delayed, it could push back your entire sprint. To sum up, the RAID framework is an essential tool for agile teams to manage product uncertainties effectively. By keeping a close eye on risks, assumptions, issues, and dependencies, we can steer our project towards success. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Got questions or thoughts on RAID? Drop them in the comments. We would love to hear from you all.
Thinknyx. You trust, we deliver.